My next problem, a store reduced the price of a computer by 20% and sold it for $56,400. How much did the computer originally for? The answer here is letter C, 70,500. So, paano yung nakuha? I-assume natin na ang P, yun yung original price. Kung ilan man yun, hindi natin alam. So, let P be the original price. Now, the original price, i-minus mo yung discount, ang lalabas doon will be the discounted price, which is 56,400. Then, P minus 0.2 will give you 0.8P, which is equal to 56,400. Please take note that 1 minus 0.2 is just equal to 0.8. That's why you are given 0.8P. Then we divide both sides by 0.8. You just cancel this. At ang lalabas doon, P equals 70,500. So, paano po ito? Yung 56,400 divided by 0.8. It's just like 56,400, add ka lang ng isang zero, pero ito magiging 8 na siya. Kasi nag-move ka lang ng 1 decimal place, mag-add ka ng isang zero. O, yun. So, your task is to divide this. Ang lalabas doon ay 70,500.